Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. What do I have in front of me? The famous advertising yellow sign. Some people do call it a bandit sign. Well, today I want to talk about one of the ways you can use this bandit sign. If you need to find off-market, unlisted deals, what can you use? One of these little beauties, okay? Put it out in neighborhoods that you'd like to buy in. Put it out to maybe find off-market unlisted properties. The message is real simple. Grab a pen. Line 1 should say, "We buy houses." That's it. We buy houses. Line 2 should say cash only, or any area cash only, or any situation cash only, or just cash only. Number 3, the most important line on this sign better be the phone number with the area code. If you do not want to use your cell number or home number, it's probably a good idea. You should use a phone that is kind of a temporary pay-per-use phone, or you can use Magic Jack, or you could even use like Google Voice, a number that may not be permanently tied to you. Think of it as a marketing phone number. So once again, we buy houses, cash only, and your phone number. To be quite honest, I'd probably put the phone number first because that is the most important thing on this sign. Put these out all over town. Be sure to check those city ordinances though, right? I don't want you to get into trouble. So put them out and let your phone ring and let the real estate adventure begin. So until next time, go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye now.